Hello children. I am Sreyoshide from Kendra Vidyalaya number 2 Kachrapada. Hope you are all doing well. Children, tell me, what do you do when someone doesn't listen to you? Do you shout at them or do you hit them? What do you do? Hmm? Let us read the chapter The Milkman's Cow and find out the answer to this question. The milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. So a milkman had a cow. Once this cow was not at all feeling well. It sat in the middle of the road and it was not moving an inch from there. The milkman begged the cow to get up. Begged means to ask someone humbly for something. So the milkman begged the cow to get up. The children are waiting for their milk to help them grow strong. Please get up, he pleaded. So he requested the cow. Pleaded means requested. He requested the cow, "Oh cow, please get up. Children are waiting for the milk so that they can grow strong, they can grow up quickly." He pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Tugged means to pull something hard. He pulled the cow. He tried to move the cow, but the cow refused to move from there. Along came a policeman, his buttons and buckles gleaming bright. Buckle means a clasp, something, a metallic thing that is attached to a belt. So then came a policeman. His buttons and his clasp, they were shining. Gleaming means shining, shining bright. "Hump," he said, twirling his long mustache. So he was spinning quickly his mustache and he said, "I'll show you how to do it right." The policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came a grocer with the bags of potatoes and peas. He said, "I'll move this cow with the greatest of ease." So the policeman and the milkman both tried to move the cow, but they were failed to move the cow. Then came a grocer, greengrocer. He was carrying a bags full of potatoes and peas. He said, "Let me show you how to move the cow with ease, how to easily move the cow." The grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Now, three of them, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman, they tried to pull the cow, they tried to move the cow, but the cow refused to move. Along came a wrestler, his muscles gleaming in the sun. So, the word gleaming, we have already come to know it means shining. Now, after them came a wrestler. His muscles were shining in the sun. He said, "I have the strength of 10 horses, so this should be fun." The wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Now, all of them tried, but the cow refused to move. Along came the ice cream man jingling his cart. Now, who came? Ice cream man came and he was jingling. Jingling means he was making a light metallic ringing sound with his cart. Cool down, it can't be too hard." The ice cream man, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Now, ice cream man joined them and he along with policeman, wrestler, greengrocer, milkman tried to move the cow, but they all were unable to move the cow. The cow refused to move anywhere that day. Along came a little boy. He began to grin. Grin means Green means to smile broadly. Now came a little boy. He was smiling broadly. He said, "These grown ups, look at the mess they are in. I learnt in second class that human beings eat rice and wheat and cows eat grass. He held out a sheaf of tasty green. Sheaf means bundle of tasty green. The cow began to chew. He slowly led her to the side and for he knew what to do. Now, this boy, he fed a bundle of green grass to the cow. The cow got up and moved to the side, and this boy was able to move the cow finally. So, students, here we have learned that kindness can work better than force or anger. All the grown ups, wrestler, milkman, ice cream man, greengrocer, policeman, they tried to exert their force on the cow, but they were not able to move the cow with the force. But this boy, this young boy, he came, he was smiling broadly. He realized that this cow was hungry, and by feeding a bundle of green grass, he was finally able to move the cow with great ease. So, we need to be kind to people as well as to animals. Instead of using force and anger always, we need to realize their emotions. We need to feel their emotions and help them accordingly. Thank you.